Hello friends, let us now learn some important previous year questions. 65-year-old male presents with femoral neck fracture and he is managed with closed reduction and cancellous screw fixation. 6 months later, X-ray was done in the left lateral view. X-ray shows non-union and leg shortening. So what is the appropriate management? So here mainly there is femur neck fracture. Already the question is given. No, so it is 65-year-old with a femur neck fracture. Closed reduction and cancellous bone has already been done, but still the X-ray shows non-union and leg shortening. In this case you will have to do a hemiarthroplasty because there is no arthritis. If in the question it is given there is arthritis, then you should do complete arthroplasty. Here because there is no arthritis, we will do unipolar or bipolar. You can select any of these and you can do unipolar or bipolar hemiarthroplasty. One more important thing, you can also do total hip arthroplasty also, but we do total hip arthroplasty especially whenever there is arthritis associated with it. Next question. Carpal tunnel syndrome is associated with all except. Carpal tunnel syndrome is associated with myxedema, idiopathic rheumatoid arthritis and acromegaly. It is not associated with Dupuytren's contracture. Next question. Which of the following is not a feature of rheumatoid arthritis? Which of the following is not a feature of rheumatoid arthritis? Pannus formation in the joint, true. Erosion of joint occurs in rheumatoid arthritis. Osteosclerosis, osteoclastic activity in underlying bone will occur. Plasma cell infiltration in synovial stroma, true. Osteophytes are seen in osteophytes are mainly seen in osteoarthritis, not in rheumatoid arthritis. Okay, next question. True about the neck of talus is avascular necrosis of body is the common complication. True. Lateral view X-ray is important for diagnosis. Displaced fracture requires below knee plaster only. Remember, any time if there is displaced fracture, you will have to do open reduction and internal fixation. So the answers are avascular necrosis of body is common complication, lateral view X-ray is important for diagnosis, and displaced fracture requires open reduction and internal fixation. Next question. True about acute osteomyelitis is acute osteomyelitis. Secondary osteomyelitis is associated with compound fracture more commonly than primary type. Actually, this I really do not know whether it is true or false, but I am not sure actually. Cannot be detected on X-ray before 2 weeks. Actually, on X-ray you can detect it in 7 to 10 days. Presents with severe pain, definitely patient will present with severe pain. After 2 weeks bone scan can detect it. No, bone scan is the first investigation which can be done, because here the symptoms will be detected in the lesion will be detected in 24 hours itself. Next question. True about osteoclastoma is osteoclastoma recurrence is common after excision in osteoclastoma. Osteoclastoma is giant cell tumor. It is located in epiphysis. It is a benign lesion and common in vertebrae and mandible falls. Actually, osteoclastoma or giant cell tumors are more common in femur and tibia, long bones. Okay. Next question. Fracture of Monteggia involves proximal ulna and there is dislocation of radial head. Proximal ulna with dislocation of radial head is Monteggia. Fracture of distal end of radius with lower radioulnar joint dislocation is Galeazzi's fracture. So, thank you for watching.